Welcome back. In this video, we'll review how to complete the session intake application, the required first step before you can apply for internship positions. MassCEC offers internship opportunities through program sessions. A session functions as a specific internship cycle, such as a summer or fall internship period. You must submit an intake application for a specific session before applying to internships within that session. After logging in, navigate to your profile and select the Programs tab. Here you'll see available internship sessions. Select the Start or Apply button. This opens the session intake application form. The intake application provides MassCEC with the information needed to determine program eligibility and prepare you for internship opportunities. You can only apply for internship opportunities for the sessions for which you complete an intake form. As you complete the intake form, review your personal information, provide educational information, enter job preferences and work availability, select skills and areas of interest, upload any required supporting documents, review any program terms and conditions presented during the application process. The skills you select will also help employers find you and will automatically populate sections of your profile. Take your time and answer each section as accurately as possible. Before submitting, carefully review your responses. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Need to make a change? You can return to the Programs tab, open the session you applied for, and edit your intake application if changes are needed. After submission, you can apply for internships, and employers can submit requests to MassCE to review your eligibility for the program session. MassCEC will notify you if they need more information to verify your eligibility. Make sure you check your email and spam or junk folders for emails from @careerteam.com or @careerge.com. Congratulations! You've filled out an important prerequisite for participating in a MassCEC internship session. If you have questions, please email the internship team at internships@massec.com. In the next video, you'll learn how to search for internships, apply for positions, and track your application status.